Hi guys, and thank you for tuning into my channel. Today I am gonna share a Japanese style sandwich, which is a Katsu Sando. It's a crispy chicken sandwich, really delicious, with some Japanese barbecue sauce and cabbage, and it's perfect for lunches and picnics and parties and just about anything. So I'm gonna start by preparing my chicken. I cut them in three large size pieces. Make sure that you have washed your chicken and blotted it dry so that it does not water down. It also helps in cooking and keeping the chicken crispy if it does not have extra moisture in it, and the thinner slices help you in even cooking and keeping it more tender. And coming towards the marination, this is the little desi touch I'm adding. That's my Nando's Peri Peri Sauce. It tastes absolutely delicious, and all the marination, all the ingredients, I'm gonna write it down for you guys in the description box below. For the marination, you can do it about 20-30 minutes beforehand, or you can do it overnight. And you can also make a big batch of these and freeze them for later use in sandwiches with pastas. Unlimited options when it comes to this chicken. For the breading, I'm using some all-purpose flour, egg, and some breadcrumbs. You can fry this chicken in a deep fryer or an air fryer. You can shallow fry them, but what I like to do is I use a little bit of oil spray and I cook it on a non-stick pan. It's a cast iron coated pan, so it does not eat up a lot of oil. You want them browned and crispy on both the sides, because this is the showstopper, the main thing about these sandwiches. Coming towards what other stuff you're gonna need, it's a sandwich, so of course you're gonna need a good quality bread, a Japanese bread if you can, Japanese milk bread, and you want to toast it. Next, Japanese mayo, some barbecue sauce, your favorite barbecue sauce would do, and some chopped lettuce or cabbage, and of course the delicious crispy chicken that we just made. Now to assemble the sandwich, put the mayo on one slice of bread and the barbecue sauce on the other one, and then all that goes inside the sandwich is the cabbage and the crispy chicken. The breading from the crispy chicken is going to soak up all of that barbecue sauce, and it's going to make it super delicious. So here you have it, your Katsu Sando sandwich is ready. Enjoy it on its own or with some more barbecue sauce. These come together super quick, especially if you have the breaded chicken ready to go in your freezer. So make them for your next parties or lunches, or just as a snack for yourself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please do give it a big thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. If you do try this recipe, please share it with me. I love seeing your recreations. Share it here or on Instagram. That's it for today. Until next time, the Homemaker Baker over and out.